Ayun, so what's up mga ka-Investa, Bearyo again, back with another video. So, ayun, after many months, hindi ako masyado nagparamdam, no videos, and ayun, dami lang happenings in life and dami lang inaasikaso. So, yung ambag ko this January 2022 is a short market outlook. Ayun, discuss ko yung views ko and forecast ko for Q1, Q2, up to Q4. And ayun, may short document din ako and pakita ko din naman yung mga outliers na sectors and mga stocks na tinitingnan ko. Ayun, let's get into it. In a nutshell, tingin ko sakto lang yung magiging market this year. Di gaano kamamaw like 2020. Tingin ko will just end at around 7.5 again or maybe 8K optimistically. Pessimistically, I think we might end at 6K or below that. Dahil sa current market sentiment with the Fed asset purchase tapering. Fed asset purchase tapering and interest rate hikes. Malaking effect yan in the markets and ayun, actually nag-take in effect na siya sa US. Titignan natin yung chart ng SPX later. Ayun. For Q1, I think main inhibitor ng paggalaw ng PSEI for me is tong Omicron variant. So, mapapansin natin yung Omicron variant. Sobrang bilis mag-spread and ayun, maybe may kakilala na kayo na tinatangang kaso na kayo, maybe may Omicron na siya or somewhat ganun. Ako personally, medyo masama pakiramdam ko ngayon. I think I have it or parang I feel feverish din and ayun, inubo din ako. So, ayun, balik lang tayo. So, balikan natin yung 2021. Yung 2021, Q3, Q4, nag-recover na yung economy natin. Nag-reopen na. Ang dami economic activity. Ang dami na kumakain sa labas. So, ayun. And then, Omicron variant happens. So, ito, malaking epekto sa economy natin and other economies as well. Dahil, yun, magkakaroon na naman ng lockdowns, babagal na naman yung economic activity. So, ayun, I think malaking epekto this Q1. Hopefully, by January, magkakaroon na ng decrease in infection rates and hospitalization rates. And hopefully, Omicron is the key for herd immunity. So, yun yung parang positive outlook ko naman for Omicron variant. So, anyway, balik lang tayo dito sa PSEI. Another thing na nagpapahirap for PSEI to go up is this trap money at 7.2 to 7.475 levels. So, makikita natin for the whole 2021, nag-sideways lang tayo. Nag-sideways lang tayo for the whole year. Mas madami pang declines actually. And kung titignan natin, nag-breakout na tayo dito sa resistance level na yan. Nag-breakout na tayo dyan. But sadly, finade lang yung breakout na yun. And this bull traps causes distribution or strong distribution. And this trap money and this bull traps, mahirap yan basagin. Dahil mahirap tong basagin dahil pag umangat yan, yung mga naipit na investors dito, most likely will sell at break-even. Ayun. And that's what I think. And looking at it, we are below MA50. And crucial level niya 7K. If this doesn't hold, baka dito tayo mapadpad. 6.2 by end of Q1. Yun yung tingin ko. But for me, for Q1, maybe mag-sideways lang din tayo. If hindi malaglag yung SPX or yung US market. But looking at it, the US market is already reacting to the Fed news, which is, ang sabi dito, mag-ramp up na sila ng or mag-start na sila mag-taper ng asset purchase. So, unload na nila yung bonds nila, then angat na nila yung interest rates. So ano yung effect nun? Ano yung effect nung pagtaas ng interest rates? Yung effect nun, guys, is pag umangat yung interest rates, kung ikaw ba uutang, ano mas gusto mo? Mas mababa yung interest rates or yung interest rate or mas mataas or mas mababa? Syempre mas mababa, 'di ba? Mas gusto mo mas mababa. So dahil nag-aangat na lang yung interest rates to curb inflation, nangyayari diyan, hindi na magiging attractive manghiram ng pera. And pag mas mababa yung credit or yung credit flow in the market, mas mababa yung economic activity. And economic activity is based on the speed of flow in cash and in credit. Parang ganun. Yung palitan ng pera or galaw ng pera. Transactions. Ganyan. Yung economy kasi is based on transactions. Gaano kadami, gaano kabilis. And pag umangat yung interest rates, pangit manghiram ng pera. And bakit ka nanghihiram ng pera, basically? Nanghihiram ka ng pera to make business or to do business. And when you can't borrow money or it's unattractive to borrow money, you can't do more business, di ba? So, yun. Anyway, so malaking effect tong stance ng Fed dahil nakikita nila yung inflation nagiging siya, out of hand na siya. So, tong gagawin nila is to curb inflation, basically. Ayun. Dahil yung 2020, nag-print sila ng madaming pera, di ba? Bumili ng mortgage-backed securities, bonds, etc. Para matulungan mag-recover yung economy. So, yan. Nag-print sila ng pera. Thus, ayun, ngayon, nakita nila, dahil madaming perang nag-flow sa market, angat yung inflation. So, ngayon, hence, tataas na yung interest rates. Ayun, anyway, so main view ko for this Q1, you just go sideways maybe, ganyan lang, 6.9 to 7.2 or maybe 7.3 domestically. And for me, Q1 might be a good opportunity to look for outliers or mga potential market leaders for Q3 or Q4. Pwede ka dyan mag-possession. So for Q2, sa Philippine market, by May 2022, yan ay election, di ba? And lalabas na yung results. So for me, pag nagkaroon ng admin change, potential uncertainty yun, and probably mag-react yung market doon bearishly dahil ayun nga, any uncertainty for me, uncertainty is the harbinger of markets. Ayun, malaking effect yun. Ayun, yun lang yung sa akin. Another thing is baka accelerate pa ulit yung inflation dahil kung titingnan natin yung mga commodities like copper, nickel, mangat, and corn. Another thing is yung corn. Pag nag-breakout yan, dito saan ba yung corn? Yan, corn. Yan. So, itong corn, importante to dahil sa itong commodity na actually nagpapakita if mag-inflate lahat ng prices. At the same time, yung US oil, WTI actually. Yan, US crude oil. Pag umangat yung crude oil, tataas din inflation, and pag tataas yung inflation, kahit itaas nila yung interest rates, yung real yield, hindi rin gaano kaganda, di ba? At the same time, ayun, ibig sabihin, hindi nila ma-curb yung inflation kahit na iangat nila yung interest rates. So, malaking question mark yun sa investors, and yun, pwede mag-cause yun ng another potential crash this Q2. Yun lang naman for me. By Q3, bearish outlook ko for Q3 potentially. Pwede magkaroon ng disconnect with GDP estimates and yung earnings estimates. So, ina-expect ng karamihan by Q3 or Q4 mag-recover lahat ng earnings, but most likely baka hindi yan mangyari dahil ayun nga, daming uncertainty eh. Pwedeng mag-evolve pa tong Omicron, 'di ba? Q3, Q4 may Delta variant, 'di ba? Q3, Q4 may Delta variant, Q2. So, ano mangyayari by Q3 or Q4? So, baka magkakaroon na naman ng bagong variant, mas deadly with Delta or combine ng Delta and Omicron. Parang ganun. Daming question mark dahil sa pandemic, 'di ba? And with COVID-19 na virus. 'Yun. Another thing to look at is yung second order effect of lower liquidity. So dahil hindi attractive manghiram ng pera, lower business, lower transactions, so lower liquidity. Ayun. On a bullish note naman, for me, yung potential effect ng Omicron variant, dahil mas less lethal variant siya, and as per ARI or African Health Research Institute, yung antibodies daw na nakikreate ng mga nag-recover from Omicron variant is nagkakaroon sila ng neutralizing immune response with Delta. So yung Delta, di ba? Yan yung mas deadly na variant. And potentially, itong Omicron might be the key to herd immunity. So yun. And pag nagkaroon ng herd immunity, yun, baka mag-back to normal na magkaroon na naman ng increase in economic activity and mag-recover yung economy. So, yun yung potential bullish event. So, yun. If this scenario plays out and infection rates decline by February, March, so pwedeng ma-revitalize yung optimism ng investors sa economy and the markets. So yun. Kung totally bearish naman yung mangyari by Q1, Q2, madami namang other sectors na pwedeng tignan, di ba? May other sectors na pwedeng tignan. And magkakaroon na outliers each market. So by Q1, Q2, tingin ko ito yung outliers. Energy, mining, telco, and fintech and logistics sector. So may mga following catalyst yan. So energy sector, ito yung catalyst niya. So kung mapansin nyo, nag-increase yung power demand this 2022 dahil sa reopening ng economy. So pag nag-increase yung power demand, so to pre-pandemic levels, actually yung power demand is at all-time high this 2022. So dahil dyan, pwede mag-inflate din yung energy prices. So pag nag-increase yung energy prices, it equates to inflation, though good siya sa energy stocks like power generation companies dahil aangat yung earnings sila, di ba? Dahil hindi increase yung energy prices eh. So yun, another thing to look at is yung renewable energy projects in the Philippines. Very rapid yung developments niya. Like what's happening with ASEN, SPNEC, maybe. Di ako sure. Ayun. And I think renewable energy projects like solar, wind is short-term unprofitable, but in the long-term profit, it is a profitable business. Kasi once you break even at year 10 or year 8, doon na nagkakaroon ng net positive na earnings actually with renewable energy na power generation na company or ayun. Another thing to look at is yung renewable energy megatrend. So sinusuportahan niya ng government and ayun, ito yung nagiging trend today, di ba? Solar, wind, etc. So stocks to watch is ASEN, AP, SPNEC, and ASEX. So with A6, hindi siya renewable energy More on thermal siya. Thermal energy. Power generation company siya. Like diesel, natural gas ata, and coal. Yeah, I'm not sure. But power generation company, increasing energy prices equals more profits, di ba? Yun, another thing to look at is mining. Yun, sa mining sector, open pit mining na lift na yung ban, di ba? So, good thing yan dahil pag na-lift na yung ban sa open pit mining, mag-increase yung production ng nickel and copper. Dahil yun yung main yun yung main minerals na namamine mo from open pit mining. Nickel and copper. So good yan with nickel, �H𝐔𝐓, FNI, 80 and 80 actually for copper. And looking at it, mining sector is under a commodity super cycle, di ba? And ayun, tingin ko mag-inflate pa yung mga commodity prices like nickel, copper. So kung titingnan natin copper prices, XU, USD. So looking at it, weekly time frame, about to break all-time high. Diba? So tagal nag-base yan. So from 2007 till now, nag-sideways lang or nag-base lang. So pag nag-breakout yan ng $5, baka ayun, create yan ng parabolic move and good yan for copper miners. Ayun. Copper miner 80, Mark Ventures I think, but 80 na yung pinaka-safe dahil kahit pangit yung liquidity ng 80, but looking at the structure, okay naman, though head and shoulders siya, pwedeng ma-invalidate yan if mag-all-time high yung copper, diba? Ayun. Personal disclosure, wala ako na ito. Hindi ko pa gusto siya so far. But emerging pattern niya is head and shoulder pattern. Multiple shoulders and potentially pwedeng mag-drop yan. But if ma-break ma-break tong downtrend line na yan and ma-break tong 9 pesos, tingin ko mag-parabolic move to. So ngayon, hindi pa pinapansin, maybe by Q3 or Q4, mag-materialize yung 80. Baka nga Q2 lang. We don't know. So it all depends on copper prices. Nickel as well. �H𝐔𝐓 and FNI. Yun. Commodity prices near all-time high. Another thing to look at na catalyst is yung megatrend with renewable energy and electric vehicles. So main component ng batteries is nickel, diba? Nickel. Lithium polymer or lithium ion batteries, kailangan yung nickel. At the same time, yung copper need for semiconductors din. So, ayun. Baka magkaroon yun ng effect with the demand sa copper and nickel. So, for coal mining, I think magandang effect dahil yung ginawa ng Indonesia. So I think dahil dito sa pag-ban ng Indonesia sa coal exportation, baka magkaroon ng surge in coal prices, and maganda yun for SEC. Yun. Tatakot kasi sila na magkaroon ng coal shortage. Kaya hindi na sila mag-export for now. And I think Indonesia, malaking chunk din sila ng supply ng coal. Yun. Nickel, FNI, 80, SEC. So let's look at the structures. Nickel, looking at it, weekly time frame from 20 2016 to 2020, nag-base lang yan. Nagkaroon ng bull trap, bear trap pala. So ito yung support levels, nag-reach below, but recovers quickly. So that's a good sign. Ngayon, nag-break above the multi-year high. Diba? Then just hovers above it. And looking at it, although below MA50 siya on the weekly time frame, okay pa naman siya, nagbe-base lang naman siya. So, for position traders, okay ito. Pwede kang accumulate at support levels, or pwede pag nag-breakout na dyan sa resistance trend line. So, yun yung confirmation mo. Or it closes above MA50, di ba? So, yun, pwede siya for me. But if it closes below 450, pass na ako dito with nickel. Ayun. FNI, 𝐎𝐔𝐓. Gusto ko kasi yung nickel. For me, mas liquid siya. Though nagte-trend yung FNI, no? But kung titignan natin yung weekly time frame, mas onti yung resistance na babanggain ni nickel. Ayun. So, looking at it, okay, pwedeng accumulate ka at 2 pesos. But, pag mag-breakout yan, maybe umangat yan to 4 pesos. So, pwede na rin 80%, 100% gain. Ang issue mo na lang dito is liquidity. Yun. Okay. Next is 80 na actually na-discuss na yun. SEC, kaya din gumalaw recently dahil dun sa news about the ban of exportation ng coal ng Indonesia. So yun, kaya nagkaroon ng good price action with the SEC. So looking at SEC, weekly time frame, so since 2018, 2017, downtrend siya, di ba? Downtrend. Then successfully reverses from this downtrend. Ayun. So kung titingnan natin, accumulation phase yan. Ngayon, it's currently on markup phase, di ba? And ngayon, nagko-consolidate lang or nag-reset on this level. So madaming supply kasi dito. Madaming supply dyan. Kaya tinatry nila na may support lang tong area na yan. 20 pesos. So yun, let's see if it breaks above 31 pesos. If it breaks above 31 pesos, pwede yung i-revisit yung 46 this year. So yun, kind of bullish on SEC. It really depends on what happens to the coal commodity. Ayun, very dependent siya sa galaw ng coal. Ayun. Ayun, hindi pala natin na-discuss yung energy stocks. Let's look at ASEN. Currently, ASEN is below 10 pesos na. So, hindi na siya gaano ka-attractive for me. So, kapon ko to chinart, ginawa tong outlook na yan. Kapon ko siya ginawa. So, sa akin, pag nag-below 10 pesos na to, medyo alanganin na siya. Merging pattern na ginagawa niya is somewhat a channel, di ba? Nag-channel siya. Nag-channel yung ASEN. So, if it breaches below 9, baka yun yung start ng markdown talaga ni ASEN. So, potentially, distribution area na yan eh. Distribution structure na to. Ayan. So, sa akin, ang importante, kung importante, stay away ako pag nasa loob pa ng channel. Gusto ko pag mag-break above na yan sa resistance trend line na to. Or mag-break above the channel na siya. Maybe at 11 pesos, 11.20. So, yun. 𝐴SEX, naka-halt siya ngayon dahil sa sa share to property swap na nangyari. So, tingnan natin yung news, no? Bata yun. So parang nag-issue ng shares si 𝐻𝐔𝐓 na worth 10 pesos for ASEN kapalit ng property sa Palawan, Palawan 55. So parang rooting for oil exploration tong move na to. And ayun, probably this will be a sell on news event for me. So short term, medyo bearish ako with 𝐻𝐔𝐓. Dahil umangat na siya ng sobra-sobra. Parabolic na siya nung December, di ba? So from 18 pesos, nag-100% na yan. So gumalaw na, di ba? Gumalaw na siya. So yung news na yun probably will be a sell on news event. Ayun, but medium to long term, medyo bullish ako with 𝐻𝐔𝐓 kasi medyo hindi pa siya gaano ka gandang company, wala pa masyadong earnings, di ba? So once na magpakita yan ng earnings, baka pansinin na yun ng market. Ayun. So net income, negative pa, di ba? Wala pa nga revenues. So ginagawa ni ASEN is tina-transfer ni ASEN kay 𝐻𝐔𝐓 yung thermal assets niya. Like, itong assets na to. Yun yung Bulacan Power Generation Corporation and Subic Power Generation Corporation. So once na may transfer successfully itong mga assets na to, mag-produce ng earnings. So yun yung ipa-price in the market, which is yung earnings na mapoproduce from these thermal assets. Ayun, dami ko na sinabi, no? Another thing to look at is SPNEC. So pagka-IPO niya, okay naman yung ginawa niya, no? Nag-rally yan mga around 30% ata. 30%. Check natin. 50 actually, 50%. Then ngayon nag-retrace ng around 20%. So healthy retracement pa naman siya. Healthy retracement from its peak. So ang magiging red flag sa akin dito if it closes below 1 pesos. Actually malayo na nga yan eh. 110 below lang sa akin. Well, pass na ako dito with SPNEC. So what I think is, for now, nag-iingat lang yung market. Nag-sell lang sila para mabawasan yung exposure nila sa market. Kasi baka mag-crash yung market dahil sa SPX sa US market eh. Yan. So unloading lang, parang reduction in exposure. Yun nangyari dito. Probably a profit-taking event din. Profit-taking event. So I think Abacus is selling already, di ba? So Abacus is the main supporter at this level. So isipin mo, taga-Abacus ka, nabili mo karamihan at 90 cents, umangat na ng 50% in just 7 days. 7-10 days. So ano yung magiging galawan mo or tendency mo? 'Di ba? Basically mag-sell ka kasi kumita ka ng 50% in just short period of time. So yun. Kaya nagkaroon ng ganitong price action. So for me, as long as it holds at this area, okay pa to. Probably a super play this Q3 or Q2. Probably. If ang gusto na i-price in the market is yung mga potential future projects ng SPNEC. So, lit lang ng market cap niya, no? 9.91 billion. 9.91 billion. ASEN is also a renewable energy company. 360 billion. So, sabihin natin kahit 10% lang, 30% lang yung makuha ni SPNEC na kalingkinan ni ASEN. 360 billion times, sabihin natin, 10% lang yung ma-achieve niya. 36 billion yung potential market cap ni SPNEC. 36 billion divide by its outstanding shares. Yun yung potentially na magiging price na SPNEC. So, compute nyo na lang. Do the math. So, yun. Potential for growth and earnings growth. So, earnings growth equals potential growth in price as well. Ayan. Anyway, discuss ko na yan, yung mga outliers yan. Next is telco. So, yung telco is, as usual, isa sa mga lalakas sa sector dahil, ayun nga, yung remote work or yung work from home setting, nagpa-persist yan and most likely will be permanent this coming year or this decade, maybe. So, dahil dyan, mas madami mag-connect or mag-subscribe for ISPs like Converge, Tel, Globe. So, yun. So, di pa lang natin nakikita sa earnings pa, no? Well, actually, nagpakita na with Converge. Laki ng revenue growth niya. Though looking at the structure of Converge, parang nagbe-base lang ulit siya, nag-reset siya. So, try natin ilagay yung volume profile. Hanapin natin yung mga key levels si Converge. Ayan. So, currently, point of control or karamihan ng shares is at around 15-30 pesos. 15 pesos sabihin na natin. So, karamihan ng shares na yan, most likely nagbenta na yan at 39-40 pesos profit taking. Then ngayon, currently basing at this area. So, most likely ito na yung magiging next point of control, which is in 30 pesos. So, what I think will happen for Converge is baka mag-base lang yan. 28, 35, 33 pesos by Q1, Q2. Then Q3 baka gumalaw ulit siya if magpakita ng continuous earnings growth si Converge. Ayun. Okay, for Tel, looking at Tel, big picture. Looking at Tel, big picture. So since 2014, 2015, downtrend siya. Then ngayon lang siya nag-recover above weekly MA50, no? And nag-decouple na siya with MA50 sa weekly time frame. So ito na yung key level natin ngayon na gusto nyo i-break. So once it breaks above 2K, baka next level is at 2.8, diba? So hanapin lang natin yung next point of control. So ito yung next point of control. So ito yung pinakamadaming shares. So magiging supply zone yan. So most likely dyan may hirapan yung presyo. So from this level potentially, pag nag-3K yan, it breaks above 2K, then 3K by end of year, may 50% upside pa yung Tel. Yun. Okay naman yung daily structure niya. Just producing continuation patterns. Yan. Then markup phase na. Ayun. Yun lang yun sa akin. So for me, what I like more is Tel compared with Converge. If I'm a position trader, Converge, pag gusto ko momentum or swing, Tel ang mas gusto ko. Okay, actually hindi pa natin nakikita yung globe. Okay naman yung globe, no? All-time high siya, no? Yun. So, nag-break above all-time high level 27. So, ang ayoko lang sa structure niya ngayon is parang nag-create siya ng wedge. Diba? Rising wedge. So, rising wedge is a reversal pattern. Rising wedge or ascending channel or channel na pangat is kind of bearish. Kumaga parang silent distribution yung nangyayari dito. Ayun, we don't know. But looking at it, parang okay pa naman. Nasa support trend line pa siya. Fit fully closes below this support trend line. Ayun, medyo magiging cautious na ako. Ayun. If it breaks above this level, good. Okay ito sa akin. Okay yung globe. Ayun. Kung telco lang, for me, much better if Tel, I think. parang mas attractive siya for me. Ayun, looking at it, telco and fintech actually connected yung Globe with GCash, Tel with Paymaya. So dahil sa rising trend in e-transactions, dahil sa e-commerce megatrend, and at the same time dahil sa pandemic, mas nagiging ano siya, mas umangat yung earnings sa mga stocks na to. Ayun, UBP, UBP is is a fintech, somewhat a fintech din, but nasa banking din siya, di ba? Traditional banking. Yun. So, tingin ko, Globe, potential catalyst din niya is yung GCash. Baka yun yung ipaprice nila, yung growth ni GCash. Tel as well. Baka yun din yung pinaprice actually. Hindi lang yung telco play or yung increase in earnings dahil sa increase in subscriptions. So, yun. Logistics, another sector to look at. Dahil sa e-commerce megatrend din, there's an increase in demand for logistic-related services like warehousing and port services solutions. So let's look at logistics-related companies. So ICT, near 52-week high, near all-time high. No? So it's currently creating a base. So what's good here is if it breaks above 2.523, yun, baka mag-trend ulit siya, di ba? So sa akin, ingat lang below 180. Below 180 ingat na. Or below MA50 actually. Yun. Another logistic-related play is OLHC. Dating Poppy yata to, or Primo Kayo. So, yung personal disclosure, meron ako nito para lang fair sa lahat, di ba? Ayun, tingin ko baka i-break niya yung all-time high, no? All-time high ni OLHC is kumanti ko na. All-time high niya is at somewhere at 710. So if it breaks above 710, all-time high equals no resistance equals pwedeng mag-parabolic move yung OLHC. So yun, currently OLHC is producing good earnings naman. So baka yun yung pinapricen ngayon. The same time, siya lang yung actually nasa property sector na yung OLHC. Dahil more on warehousing yung ano niya yung services na ino-offer ni OLHC. So yun. As long as, for me technically, as long as it's above 570, 580, actually 6 pesos, as long as it's above 6 pesos, okay pa ako dito. Below 6 pesos, baka yan load ko na yung yung hawak ko. Baka maging bull trap eh. Ganun. So sa akin, as long as it holds above 6 pesos or even 580, okay pa ako. Ayun. So all-time high play, potential all-time high play. Then yun, target price might be at around 10 pesos. Short term. Yun. Yun. So stocks to watch na nilagay ko dito are positively rated in terms of technicals or price structures, and accompanied with its fundamental catalyst, these stocks may be outliers this 2022 as long as price confirmed. So price is king pa din, di ba? Price is king. So yung mga fundamental catalyst na yan, mga palamuti lang yan, mga flavoring lang yan, gravy lang yan. Ang importante is mag-confirm yung presyo and mag-commit yung buyers, di ba? Or yung market. So yun. Ayun, ito yung mga views ko and scenario planning ko, etc. etc. So hindi ko na ipapakita. Ayun. So that's it. That's my market outlook. Short video, I think actually 30 minutes din ata to, 40 minutes. But ayun, I hope may naimbag ako. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa YouTube channel, namin sa Investagrams. Please subscribe, like this video if nagustuhan mo naman. If hindi mo nagustuhan, then kindly dislike this video and kindly comment kung ano yung hindi mo nagustuhan sa video na to para ma-improve ko yung mga sinasabi ko. Ayun. Ayun, na-miss ko kayo and ingat kayo. Sana hindi kayo magka-COVID and ayun, inom kayong biogesic if na hilo or sumakit yung ulo. Then, drink your vitamins and eat your vegetables, guys. Okay, sige, bye-bye. Ingat.